Welcome to the in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And now you can see here we just created the new home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications as can use and also when we'll just open the folder, we can here slide to the left or to the right side, and we can see just all of the another folders on our device screens, so we can also customize them if you want. Here we can see that this is the unnamed folder. We can give a name to this folder, and for example enter here. I'll enter the apps, click to OK, and now you can see that we'll just successfully rename this folder. If you want, you can move this folder here on the screen. Just hold it and drag it, for example here, and also we can move this folder between the screens, or also we can create the new screens with the folder. You can see that's so simple. And if you want to just remove some apps from here, just hold it and drag it here to the screen. If you want to the home screen, if you want to stay with this app here on the home screen, but if you want to just remove this app from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it here to the remove icon. But don't worry, you'll stay with this app here in apps menu. You'll just remove it from the home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.